Capability in the field. Contractors require a reliable and powerful field computer to manage the increasing flow of data coming and going from the modern job site. Introducing the Trimble T10. Designed from the ground up as a field-focused tablet workstation, the Trimble T10 personifies the state-of-the-art in mobile computing platforms. The first thing that stands out is the vibrant, daylight-readable 10-inch multi-touch display. This job site-ready display unlocks the power and flexibility of Windows 10, providing intuitive and responsive touch controls to even the most challenging job site environment. Housed within a military-spec IP65 dust and moisture-protected enclosure, the Trimble T10 is ready to work. Within this rugged housing, the Trimble T10 boasts an even more impressive list of advancements and capabilities. Powered by a fully featured 6th generation Intel i7 processor, the Trimble T10 can handle even the most complex projects, geometry, and point clouds with ease. Engineered to be a powerful workstation, this tablet brings true productivity to the field. On the modern job site, capability is key. The Trimble T10 raises the bar for what you should expect and demand of your field computing platform. To learn more or to schedule an on-site demonstration, contact your local Building Point representative today.